Next up, the Infirmary Key. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. This is again on a TV station. You'll find this in the southwest corner on the first floor, right about here. The only way you can get into this section of the seemingly parking lot area is through this main passageway here. So, coming across to this main entrance and into it, the infirmary, through this passageway, inside of here, to the right, just around the back, we'll find a couple of doors. The right one over here is the infirmary room. So this one here, we'll unlock it. And inside of this infirmary room, we have a desk, a chair with some loose loot, a safe behind the desk, which for me had these. That's fantastic. Then a little medical bag, which for me had these. Not too bad. Then looking across to the other side, a military crate right here, which had these items for me and small loose loot. Right around the back here, yet another military crate. This one for me has these items in it, and that's pretty much it. Besides a little bit of loose loot you may find lying around here, and of course the valuable safe, that's really it. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.